Welcome back to Toyo's channel. So what do you do when you saturated market with all the figurines that's available in terms of different sizes, different postures? Now they have developed these figures for you to put on top of your noodles so that flappy thing can stay down. This is the extent of the figurines that we have come to nowadays. So in front of me I've got the Demon Slayer, i.e. Kimetsu no Yaiba Nezuko figurine here, and as you can see it's pretty cute and the legs kind of come across the edge. So let's say you put her across a platform like this, her legs would be coming out at the bottom. So it's pretty cool regardless whether you put it on top of your cup noodles as a noodle stopper or put it on the edge of a service that you've got across your room. Let's say the back there, and I'll show you guys how it looks afterwards, so don't worry about that. And I think this should be a really interesting and nicely sculpted figure, and as always please remember to like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more great stuff like this. Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba, Hot Toys, Marvel, Star Wars, vlog, Pokemon, Demon Slayer. I'm not trying to do a rap here, but there's a lot going on here, so without further ado, let's get opening. Okay, let's have a look at the box first. So essentially on the box, with the Nezuko figure here on the right, you can see how it would be sitting on the edge of your servers or even your noodles, cup noodles, and also logo Nezuko Kimetsu no Yaiba, made by SEGA because it's a SEGA prize item. And there's a lot of wonderful colors as well, the usual burgundy, burgundy, and this was pink and lighter pink. That resonates with Nezuko's interior motif, i.e. outfit on the inner side. So on the side, you can see a close-up shot of Nezuko's head sculpt, and the paint job seems to be looking nice, so I do have some hopes, not high hopes, for this figure. SEGA prize JP, and also on the other side there is the two sides that you can see from the figure. So yeah, not a lot going on here, but I do like what they've done here with the illustration of this very traditional Japanese window kind of thing, and at the top there is more of the same motif and just Nezuko's head within this circle. So without further ado, let's open this up. Oh my gosh, I literally tear the cardboard up. Oh no. Right. Ooh, wow, okay, nice. I thought there's gonna be a different kind of setup, but okay. Let's take her out. Okay, from an initial glimpse, everything seems to be looking okay with some smudges on the skin area and the white areas, as you can see here, and the fingers as well is a bit dirty. Not sure what happened at the factory. And also okay, let me open this up first. I can do all my nitpicking once it's opened up. Let's go, Jan. Okay, let's talk about the head first. I'm not so sure about the head sculpt because it looks a bit strange in regards to how big the scale of her face and forehead is, and also with the eyes, it looks okay. It's printed on, but not to the best of their abilities because we have seen better figures out there. In regards to the previous one that I've opened up, it's from the Glitter and Glamour series, and you can also check that out in the link down below. And also, I don't know what they've done with the hair. It's a bit clunky in terms of how they have done all the finishings. As you can see, it's a bit glossy here, and the joints, there are a lot of glue marks here and there. Let's see, okay, here and also here. So it's not that great, to be honest, in terms of having a nice smooth quality finish. And let's move on to the rest of her hair, and disregard the glue marks as well. As you can see, there's a lot of glue marks here. Let's zoom in. Right, can you see the reflective parts? So probably not ideal. Well, definitely not ideal for me, but I'm not sure whether you guys can accept that. In terms of the paint for the hair, it's not good. As you can see, a lot of smudges, color overboard from the red side to the black colored areas. As you can see, it's fairly consistent in terms of the poor quality all over, and I do not appreciate it. Although on this right hand side it seems to be a little bit better, but on the left side they've really messed up, and I mean big time. Look at it. Seriously, can you accept this? It's unacceptable for me. I just like to nitpick stuff, but it's all for the valid reasons, right? And also there's some paint shit that's going on here as well. Like, it's atrocious what they've done here. Let's go through. Oh shit, there's like more glue marks here. Damn. Like, did they flicker glue and shit all over this figure while they're making it? Right, let's go through her hands and the bamboo as well. So again, as I've stated just now, there are some dirt marks on the hand. I'm not sure what went on there, but nonetheless, the sculpt is good, I think. And also I like what they've done here with the nails in pink. And also the bamboo is nicely sculpted as well. And for the left hand, it's clean, it's nice, and this is the quality that we should be striving for in terms of manufacturing. And in regards to what she's got as outfit, some pink overboard hair to the white area, not ideal, although scalp is okay, but the plastic they've used could be better. And in regards to the belt thing on her waist, it seems to be okay as a whole, not too much color mess up there. And also this strand of hair in red, some thin colored red hair, so they've just, yeah, it's common in these figures. And moving on to the bottom, again, a lot of dirt marks here and there. Don't know why. For example, here, maybe they've just thrown it all over the place at the factory. And also on the right hand side with this edge as well. So these are mass produced and they get chucked around quite a fair bit, so I'm not surprised. In terms of the legs, some color overboard, but nothing too drastic. On the side here as well, there's a lot of shit going on here in regards to dirt. So on the other leg, some color overboard here, not ideal. Here as well, let me show you guys clearly here. Okay, bottom looks okay, of course, not a lot going on here, but somehow they managed to get some scratch mark or dirt shit here and there. So not ideal. So all in all, I am quite disappointed in this figure, although it's a price figure, i.e. the ones you get at the claw machines. But nonetheless, I do expect a slightly better quality, especially with the paint job is so shit here, and also with a lot of glue marks all over the place. Oh, there's some black paint marks here on the boat as well. It's annoying. The sculpt, I think it's okay in terms of how they've planned it out, but in terms of execution, the head seems a little bit weird. The forehead is a bit big, face is slightly bigger than I would have hoped. The hands are nicely sculpted, bamboos are okay. So basically take everything from the head down onward. The sculpt wise, it looks great. The paint job, it's in there, a lot of shitty dirt marks as well. And yeah, I do think they can up their quality in terms of execution. Oh, and here's, oh shit, what the fuck? So as you can see here, they have really dented the figure here. So I think these pieces just get thrown around in the factory like they're having fun. And it's pretty much bashed up and cracked up. And let's move on to testing the figure in execution. Okay, and in terms of displaying the figure, it looks great. There's a lot of dynamics with the legs area especially, as it pretty much stands out as it comes out from the edge of the surface you're displaying on, and it looks pretty awesome. And I think it's a great figure in terms of looking at it from afar. But if you're looking at it up from close, you see all the flaws, especially with all the glue marks, dirt marks, color overboard, and those messy areas here and there. So SEGA needs to up their game. Alright guys, so what do you think of this figure? Comment down below and let me know. Or do those multiple flaws put you off from getting this figure? And as always, please kindly like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Demon Slayer, Hot Toys, Marvel, Star Wars, bricks, Pokemon, stuff that I like. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe and see ya!